How's it going, YouTube? We are at the first car event of the season. This is going to be a rollout over to Bear Mountain in New York. For those that know, we are at the Wawa over here at Lodi. Not sponsored by Wawa, but yeah. This basically is a spot where we do have a lot of car meets here. Oh, it is so cold. It is like about 30 degrees outside with a little bit of wind chill. It makes it feel even colder. But we got a few cars rolling up right now. And a few of them getting ready to leave. But yeah, it's going to be a good rollout. That Mazda right there, that's going to be the guy doing shots. Rolling shots for everybody. Ooh. Got that leaving over there. There's me. And then we got a new one. New WRX. S5. Toyota. Of course, we always have to have a Porsche. And here we go. Whew, can't wait for the rollout. So I'm hopping back inside the car because it is cold outside. Alright, I stepped out. A few more cars showed up. Especially this thing. It's R33. Definitely looks clean. Do like it. I am actually thinking about importing one. Haven't decided yet, but definitely do want one. Don't know why they get so much hate, but yeah. Definitely look nice. More and more people are starting to show up. Ooh, more Mustangs. More Mustangs. Thank God we have the Mustang Patrol over there. Which, let's go take a look. Got another Mustang, and then here we go. Mustang Patrol. Hopefully he keeps us safe from these guys over here. That one over there. So, should be rolling out any minute, hopefully. Alright, so we made it to our final destination. Whew. Seems like we're still missing a few, but there's supposedly another group coming. Probably stay a little bit longer. But yeah, all these cars. Let's go take a look. Alright, so we got the GT3, the X3M. Whew. Oh, it's still windy here too. But it seems like everybody that was at the initial starting point made it, which is good. Oh, some people leaving. Oh, this is the other RS3 that I saw before we left. Oh, there goes that GT3. Alright YouTube, that's going to be it for today's video. I didn't get a chance to see the other group arrive as I had something come up, but there are going to be plenty of meets that are going to happen, and I'm sure we're going to get to see more cars. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that help you out a lot. Until the next video, peace.